Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 4. Today I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Let's open Google app firstly, tap a button in the right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Google Assistant. Select Voice Match and make sure this function is on. Now simply say, "Hey Google, call Ronnie."
Calling Ronnie.
That's the process how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Unfortunately, in my smartphone I don't have SIM card insert, but in your smartphone it should be just okay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.